Hello! I'm going to explain to you how to play Blitz fight. So first, arrange your tiles how you want. You can put tiles on top of each other or flip them face down, but we don't really recommend that. Your opponent also arranges their tiles. When both players ready, shuffle the starting cards and deal each player one. Look at your card, then place your card on the table. Count to 3 together with the other player. Flip your starting cards on 3. Why we do it, I will explain later. Now you can start playing your tiles on the triangle. When you play tiles, try to match the colors. You can play multiple tiles in a row and you don't have to wait for your opponent. Here is an example from real life. Play tiles in a row, don't skip triangle slots. You can only hold one tile in a hand and you can only use the hand you used to flip your starting card. You can rotate your tiles before playing them, and once you play the tile on the triangle, nobody can remove it, even if it's wrong color. When there are no tiles on the triangle, this card dictates which color is first. You can find it by the process of elimination. You see the 3 starting colors: blue, red and yellow. If you see yellow and blue, what color will be in the center? It is red, so the first tile you play should connect with red. When all the triangle slots are filled with tiles, you start resolving them one by one to see what happened. The different edges of the tiles can help you understand which character performs the action. Black tiles make the character with the black stand holder perform the action. And I guess you guessed what white tiles do. Now let's talk about the tiles. There are 2 types of tiles: movement tiles and strike tiles. Movement tiles are simple, they just move the character in the direction of the arrow. So in this example, my character just moves 1 space down on the arena. If your character is next to a wall and moves into it, they will wall jump, moving 2 spaces in the opposite direction. That's all about the movement tiles. Let's now talk about strike tiles. The symbol in the center shows the range of the strike. The range is the number of gaps between characters required for strike to hit. The range have to be exact, no more, no less. So in this example, my 1 range tile hits the opponent because there is only 1 gap between us. And this tile is gonna miss, because its range is 2, it goes too far. You could notice that range 3 strikes has 2 ranges. It hits if you are in the same space, or if there are 3 gaps between your characters. Now we will talk about how strike deals damage. When the strike hits, it deals damage equal to your combo. By default, your combo is 1, but it increases with every correct tile you play. Let's look at this example. This first strike will deal 1 damage, then the combo would increase by 1, the second strike would deal 2 damage, the combo would increase by 1 again, and the third strike will deal 3 damage, the combo would not increase any further, it cannot be higher than 3. Movement tiles also increase your combo. So, in this case, this tile will deal 3 damage. Your combo resets to 1 if you miss a color or range. It also resets if your opponent plays correct tile. Now we will talk about misses. When you miss range, you take 1 damage, when you miss color, you take 3 damage. Note that your color miss tile cannot hit, but it still moves your character. That's pretty much all the rules of the basic version of the game. When you have resolved every tile on the triangle, it's the end of the round. Reset your character's position to the starting position. Reset your combos to 1 and take back your tiles. If no one's health is 0 or less, play another round. If at the end of the round someone's health is less than 10 but not below 0, they may flip their health token and set their health to 10. You may do that only once per game. If your health at 0 or less, The game doesn't end immediately, resolve the remaining tiles on the chronicle. At the end of the round, the player with the most remaining health wins. For example, if my health is 0 and my opponent's health is -2, I'm gonna win. If health is equal, that's a tie.